Hello students, good morning. In this video, we are going to study speaking and writing exercise of chapter 3 Taro's Reward from your English textbook. In the previous video, we have studied some exercise and you did also some exercise. In this video, we shall learn about speaking and writing exercise. So let's start. Speak the following sentences clearly but as quickly as you can. Learn them by heart. There are two sentences are given to you. You have to speak it loudly. First one. How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck would chuck wood? Second one. Betty bought a bit of butter, but the bit of butter was a little bitter, so she bought some better butter to make the bitter butter better. Here, two sentences are given to you, and this is the one kind of exercise of how to how to improve your pronunciation. This is regarding your pronunciation. These exercises are given. You have to read it. You have to read it again and again, and when you read, you have to read it loudly also. Second, B. The story Taro's Reward shows that Taro is thoughtful, hardworking, and also wise. Read aloud the parts of story that shows these qualities in Taro. Here, three qualities are given of Taro's. Thoughtful, he was thoughtful, hardworking, and also wise. In your paragraph from your textbook, you have to find out the paragraph in which these three qualities are described. This is you have to do. Then on page number 37, second exercise 1. Like Patrick in the story, who did Patrick's homework? Taro is helped by magic. Do you believe in magic? What are the magical thoughts that happen in this story? So, dear students, in the first chapter, who did Patrick's homework? There are also some magic, and in this sentence also, some magics are happened. So, the question is, do you believe in magic? क्या आप मैजिक में बिलीव करते हो? What are the magical things that happen in these stories? So we have learned this story Taro's River. So what are the magical things happen in this story? You have to describe it in your own words. आपको अपने शब्दों में इसको describe करना है. Then second, which story do you like better and why? Do you know such story in other languages? Discuss this question in class. So we have learned two stories in the first chapter, who did Patrick's homework, and second one, the third one is Taro's reward. In both, some magical things are happen. So in these two stories, which do you like most, and do you know this kind of other story also? So you have to describe this. You have to describe this kind of story in this question. If you know any story in which the magical things happen, you have to write this kind of story in your notebook. Third number. Now, write a paragraph or two about these two stories, comparing them. Two stories are there. First one is who did Patrick's homework, and second one is Taro's River. You have to compare both the stories. आपको दोनों story में comparison करना है. What are the differences in this story? What happened in this story? Then C. Listen. First one, listen to these children. What are they talking about? First one says, I think swimming is more difficult than driving. Second one says, I think it is much less difficult. Anyhow, neither of them is difficult as learning English. So this is the one kind of talking, one kind of conversation in which two friends are conversing with each other, and they are talking to each other about what is the difficult, swimming or to learn English. This is only some funny things is given here. Funny part of this story is given here. You have to just speak it loudly only. Then second one, work in groups Come to some agreement on each of the activities given below. Decide which is the most interesting, dullest, most dangerous, safest, most rewarding, or most exciting. So in this table you can see some words are given like cooking, fishing, playing football, knitting, dancing, listening to music. Some activities are there. So you have to categorize these activities, like which do you like, which is the most interesting activities. You have to make the column. In this interesting column you have to make, you can write down which is the interesting. Then you can make another column, the list. So among these activities, which is the dullest activities, you have to write in that column. Then you can make most dangerous column. In most dangerous column, among these activities, which is the most dangerous activities, you have to write this exercise. So in short, you have to categorize these activities. Then come to page number 38, dictation. Your teacher will speak the words given below. Write against each two new words that rhyme with it. Here, 5 words are given to you. You have to make some rhyming words from them. Suppose bed, bed is there. So you have to make some rhyming words also. Second one is wax. So wax means X. Okay, तो X भी हो सकता है. तो this kind of rhyming words you have to make. So dear students, when we have next video, I will give you the solution of this. Only dictation solution I will give you. Others thing you have to do with yourself only. पूरी जो भी अनदर एक्टिविटीज़ है वो अपने आप ही आपको करनी है, बिकॉज दिस इज स्पीकिंग एक्सरसाइज एंड राइटिंग एक्सरसाइज. यू हैव टू राइट योर सेल्फ एंड यू हैव टू स्पीक इट योर सेल्फ. You have to increase, you have to speak it. When you will speak it, you can increase your pronunciation also. You can improve that. Okay, so only dictation activities solution I will give you. Otherwise, other activities you will do by yourself. So dear students, the next video I will give you the solution of that. Till then, goodbye.